morning children. I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to start new chapter from civics, chapter 26, the government. Children, in this chapter I'll explain you today the three topics. First is what is government? Second, why do we need a government? And third is universal adult franchise and its merits. So let's get started. Chapter 26, the government. Children, before we start the chapter, I'll explain you the name of the chapter, the government, in a very simple example. Like in your family, who is the head of your family? That is either your father or your grandfather. They controls and run the family. Same way, our country also needs someone who runs our country very smoothly. And that is the government. Like your father runs your family, same way the government runs the country. So our today's name of our chapter is the government. This we are going to discuss. Children, in this chapter, today we will discuss three topics. First is what is government? Second, why do we need a government? And third is universal adult franchise and its merits. Now the first topic is what is government? Man lives in a society. He is dependent on the society to fulfill his needs, various interests of people, and to resolve issues. We need an organization. This organization is called the government. We need discipline and order in society. Therefore, every country needs a government to make decisions and get things done. So in simple way, we can say government is the administrative organ of the state. Now the second topic is why do we need a government? Children, before we start this, again I am giving you one simple example for this. Let us take the example of our school. You need a monitor in the class to maintain discipline and order and to report to the class teacher. The headmaster and the principal look after the academic and administrative affairs of the school. Same way, we also need a government to take care of our needs and resolve differences. Now the government is an important organ of the state. This we have already discussed. And without a government, the population would be like a disorganized mass with no means of collective actions. So it performs important functions. Like the government has to do a lot of police functions such as maintaining peace and order, controlling traffic, and protecting the country from foreign invaders. The government performs many welfare functions like where to build roads, schools and hospitals, how to control the prices of vegetables, fruits, etc., or how to control crime. During natural calamities like floods, drought, or an earthquake, the government provides aid and relief to the affected people. It also maintains and controls railway and postal services also. So in short, if we analyze the work of the government, so the first is government decides where to build roads, schools, hospitals, parks, etc. Second, controls prices of commodities. Third, controls crime, maintains law and order. Fourth, provides aid and relief during natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, drought. Next point, controls railways, postal services, and the last, defends the national boundaries, maintains relations with other countries. So these are the functions of governments. That's why we need a government. Now the third topic is universal adult franchise and its merits. Right to express one's choice by vote is called franchise. When the right to vote or franchise is given to every adult, it is called the universal adult franchise. Means, in short, we can say right to vote given to every adult, that is universal adult franchise. In India, this right is given to every Indian citizen who has completed 18 years of age. Even in a country like England, which is called the mother of democracy, people had to struggle hard for centuries to get universal adult franchise. In the beginning, only the rich people were given the right to vote. Slowly, franchise was extended to the common people also. Now, the merits of universal adult franchise. First is, it is based on political equality. Means one person, one vote is now the accepted principle in all democratic countries. This principle is based on political equality. Everybody, whether he is rich or poor, young or old, black or white, man or woman, learned or illiterate, should have equal voice in a democratic country. Second, it makes the government responsible to all. Government affects all. It must be responsible to all. This is only possible if the right to vote is given to all and all are given a say in choosing the government of the country. So, these are the merits of universal adult franchise. Now the questions which are based on today's topics, and you will give answer in one word. The first is administrative organ of the state. Yes, the answer is government. Second, universal adult franchise allows all Indians above 18 years to, answer is, vote. Now 3 questions I am giving you today. The first is, define government. Government is the administrative organ of the state. Second question, why do we need a government? The first point, it makes laws by collective decisions. Second, maintain peace and order and protect from foreign invaders. Third, for welfare functions such as the opening schools, hospitals, etc. are also there. Now the third question, what do you mean by universal adult franchise and what are its merits? Right to vote given to every adult is called the universal adult franchise. Now its merits. First is to provide political equality. Second, it makes the government responsible to all. And third, established a true democratic government. So children, for all these answers, you will see the PDF file. That's all for today. Thank you.